And we're going to calculate a determinant of a 2x2 matrix. And then I'll show you how to calculate a determinant for a 3x3 matrix. And those will be the only ones that you will be required to solve by hand. What is a determinant? A determinant is a special number that helps us solve systems of equations. The notation or the symbol that we're going to use, the symbol is going to be this, and it's those absolute value bars. So you're going to calculate the determinant of matrix A. This symbol right here means the determinant of matrix A. There is one requirement for this. One requirement to be able to calculate a determinant. That is, the matrix must be squared. Remember, when square means that the rows equals the columns. So you can calculate the determinant of a 2x2 or a 3x3. So let's say that you have a matrix A, and this matrix is a 2x2 matrix, right? And it's going to have 4 entries. So you have entry A, entry B, entry C, and entry D. Now those are the numbers inside the matrix. How are you going to calculate the determinant? The determinant of A is going to be equal to A times D minus B times C. And you need to memorize this formula. You will be expected to know it and be able to do it. So here's an example. Let's say you have matrix B, and matrix B has these numbers, 4, 6, 3, and 8. And I say, find the determinant of B. Well, you would you have to find this is A right here. The 4 is in the spot of A, and the 8 is in the spot of D. So you would multiply those. 4 times 8 minus B is this one right here, and C is the 3. So minus 6 times 3. And you would get 32 minus 18, which gives you 14. The determinant of B is 14. So that was pretty simple, and that's all you do to calculate a determinant for a 2x2 matrix. Now remember, this is how to calculate a determinant for a 2x2 matrix. Now this is what you would have to do for a 3x3. And what I'm going to try to show you is I'm going to try to show you a quick shortcut that I find that it makes it a lot easier to calculate the determinant for a 3x3 matrix. So let's say A is a 3x3 matrix, and it is 6, 1, 1, 4 minus 2, 5, 2, 8, 7. And I say, find the determinant of A. This is what you're going to do. And I'm going to work it out over here. The first thing you need to do is, I'm going to work it out of here and you'll see what I'm doing. 6, 4, 2, 1, minus 2, 8, 1, 5, 7. And what I want you to do is I want you to rewrite the first row and the second row. Just kind of continuing the matrix. Okay? So I rewrote the first two rows, and then starting from this 6, I'm going to go down like this. See? Straight line. That means that I need to do 6 times negative 2 times 7 plus, and I'm going to go down this second diagonal, 1, 5, 2 times 1 times 5 times 2. Now if you need to rewind this, go ahead and rewind it so that way you don't miss anything. Then you're going to go down the third diagonal. So it's plus, anytime the arrows are going down, you're adding. So it'll be 1 plus 4 plus 8. Alright, now you're going to work with diagonals going up. So starting with the bottom two, you're going to go like this. And now, because the diagonal's going up, you're going to subtract this. So it'll be minus 2 times negative 2 times 1 minus, and then you're going to work a second diagonal going up, 8 times 5 times 6 minus the last diagonal, 7 times 4 times 1. And you just type that into your calculator and you get an answer. So you should type it into your calculator, and just be very careful when you're doing the subtraction parts. In fact, you should try it out right now and make sure that you're able to get a negative 306. And that is your answer. Alright, so what you should do right now is you should review how to calculate the determinant of a 2 by 2. Make sure you have that formula memorized. And then the technique for calculating the determinant for a 3 by 3. Review it, start out from the beginning, how to go step by step and rewind it slowly. Make sure that you do get it. Make sure that you take notes, that you write the examples, and that you complete any assignments that I have given you on Edmodo. Make sure you turn in both the forms and the Edmodo assignment. Other than that, I will see you in class, and let me know what you think about this Pencast. Miss Medina, out.